History, can you wait for some 2 minutes?
Sorry?
Can you wait for 2 minutes can you wait for some 2 minutes for other people to come on?
Okay, sure.
Since you are going to explain something.
Okay. So let's wait for some few minutes.
SSH. SSH.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think Blessing is here. So the number that were you having like more
We
than
are 5.
we're 5 in. So one more person. I think Nadi is the one that is left.
Now, Nadi left. Nadi came and left. Nadi didn't.
Okay.
It's Julian. Then, Roberta.
Yeah.
And Julian.
Okay. Let's wait more. But this part is very important.
Yeah. But something. Since we are recording it, they can watch or
But I think one person left.
Blessing has left.
Okay. Felix is also joining. Okay. But you see, our time is limited.
Yeah, that's what I'll say. Something. Since we are recording, we can continue.
Yeah,
so that
I'm recording it, so I'll put it in the group. So the reason why we are not able to enter is that you see that we are referencing this assignment2.pem, but we are in another instance. Okay, we are in a fresh instance. There's no keeper there. There's no keeper file there, so it's not seeing the keeper file that we are referencing. You see, because when I do ls, you can see there's nothing. So where is the keeper file that we are referencing? So this is where we have to create the keeper file before we can reference it. Okay. So now we just create the keeper file by doing nano assignment2.pem. Okay. And then we go and open our keeper file. Where is it? Let me see. Downloads. Okay. So we copy this, and then we come to our nano. So you see, I'll just save it assignment2.pem, and then I'll go back. So this is where we have to do the smod because we just created the file. Okay, we have to give it the permission that the system is looking for. So smod 400 assignment2.pem. Good. So now, if you are just joining, the reason why we're not able to enter from our instance is that we didn't have the keeper file on that instance, on the public instance that we were in. So we had to create the keeper file on that instance. Then we can use it to SSH into the private instance. So let me do ls right now. You can see that our assignment2.pem is here. So now we can reference it in the code that we copied. So let me see. Where is it? Yeah, so this is it. So now our code will be, I'm praying that our code will be seen, and then it will be what? We'll be able to enter.
It will come.
So you see that?
Voila.
Now we the run now.
Now you the run now.
Now we the run now. So we are in our private instance, right? So let's check. Let's see if it's true. So our what's the these are private. These are private server, right? And this is the IP address.
Yeah.
This is the IP address. So 10.0.2.61. Let's go and check. 10.0.2.61. So we are in, right? So the first part of the assignment, we've done it. We are able to SSH into the private subnet. Now it's left with the pinging. So we have to go back to the public instance and then we ping the private instance from there. Okay, to see if it will go. Now let's test what we've done. Like I said, let's try and SSH from a different machine and see if we'll be
wait. How did you log out?
Oh, I just did a control D.
E.
So now we are back to the public instance, right?
Sure.
So control D, and then the first one is logged out, and then we are about to control D. So now let's test our distance and see if it's working. So I'm opening my WSL. So this is a different server. It's a local server, right? So let's try and SSH into the private server and see if we'll be able to enter. If we are able to enter, it means that our settings didn't work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's show working. So now let me see if I have the key pair file here. You see, yesterday I created it here. So let me check. Is it here? Is it here? It's here. But let me delete it. Or we can still use it though, but because I've already created it just for learning purposes, we can decide to delete it and create it again, right? So let me delete it first. So RM assignment 2.spam. Yeah. It's right protected. So how do we delete it?
You have to change the. I mean, it was
400.
400. So you have to change.
Oh no, you can delete it. It's gone. It's just prompting you that it's right protected. So do you want to delete it? Is it gone? It's gone.
Okay. Where it's gone? So you place on it. That's why.
I just did yes, and it's gone.
I'm sure your permission, you did right protected permission on it. That's why.
Yeah, that's why it was showing, because we did a small. That's why it was giving us. Yeah. So now let's create it again. Nano assignments 2.spam. Okay, and then we go and copy the file. This one. We go and copy this one again. So we are recreating the key pair file on the Ubuntu server, right? And then I save it, Control O to save it. Okay, I can't see the full this. Good. Then I enter, Control X, then I exit. Then I come back and see if it's there. So now it's there, assignment 2.spam. So now we have to do the shmod on it because it doesn't have the right permissions to accept. So let's do shmod 400 on assignment 2. Assignment 2.spam, right? Hey. Sorry. Good. Why? Did I miss something? Assignment 2.spam assignment. Why? Oh, I typed 3S.
This link is here. If you know this.
Yeah, so now our file is there. So good. So now our key pair file is there. So now let's go and copy from our private server and try and connect. Good. So this is a private server, right? So let's try and connect. Copy this. Let's see. Nothing they come.
You didn't give permission.
Yes, we will not be able to go because that IP, this IP, it doesn't fall within the security group that we created. So it will not allow it to enter. So we will not be able to SSH into the private instance outside of the security group. So we are in business, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Let's ping.
Sorry?
I was saying we should ping.
Okay, let's also ping and see. So ping the private distance 0.2.61 from outside. Is it this is what we received the last time? And we thought that
we thought
so is it that it's not receiving anything? So if you
it's not communicate.
Yeah, there's no communication. So let's go and
zero receive.
Yeah.
You can see the zero receive.
Yeah, zero receive. Yeah. Let me see. You see that 10 packets transmitted, zero receive, 100% packet loss. So there's no communication. So now we are in the public subnet, the public instance, right? Let me check the IP so that we will be on the same page. So, hey, oh, this people they decided to put me out. Give my phone.
Now they use your root user.
I am. My phone is Isaac. Give me a minute. Let me do my MFA. Okay. Good. So our instances. Good. So we were trying to check if the public server is the one that we are connected to, right? So this is the IP of the public server. So let's check if it's the same thing. You can see 10.0.0.29. So we are in this IP. So let's try and ping our server, our private server from here, right? And see if you will receive any traffic. So what's the IP of the private server? Let me go and check. So this is the IP of the private server. And let's see. Now we they run out now.
Now you the run out.
Now we they run out. Now we they run out. Is it this one we are receiving what? We are receiving communication. So we are in.
Yeah,
we are in. Because we allowed ICMP traffic from the public server. But we didn't allow the other machine wasn't in the public subnet, so it won't far. It won't far. So basically we are done with this part of the assignment. We've created our VPC across 2 availability zones, and then we launched 1 instance per a subnet, and then we SSH into our public instance, and then you connected in, and then we ping from the public instance to the private instance using its private IP address. So we are done.
So we will ask Isaac about it.
The last question. Yeah, the last part. This one. Because he didn't even he hasn't demonstrated anything like that to us, right? But we can still research and do it. But let's confirm if it's part.
You see the lambda thing going on. That's why.
Yeah. So we can confirm from you. So the
lambda you pay. Lambda, if you use lambda, you pay for the time that the function runs or the
but we are in the free tier, so we are good to go. But we can still ask him. So now the
free tier lambda.
Okay.
Lambda doesn't take free tier.
Sir.
Lambda. Lambda there. Serverless.
No, I think it has first 1 million requests are free if you're in a free tier.
In Lambda.
Yeah, in Lambda.
Did you check?
Yeah. If you're in the free tier, first 1 million requests are free. So it's after that one that you will be charged.
Okay.
Okay, so the screenshotting part. He said we should screenshot the pinging between two instances in the different subnets. Okay, so now we have to create like 2 more instances, right? And then he said we should do a simple architecture drawing of the infrastructure. So should we attempt this one?
The architecture drawing. Yeah, you can do it.
But we have time. Still have time. So let's attempt.
But with the ping, so the ping, we'll take maybe this one screenshot one, then we'll take the other one screenshot another one.
So now that this one is running like this, we can just take screenshots of this one with the IP address. Yeah. And then they will know that we are in business. Now read
the last one.
So let's do the drawing, right? Okay. Hey, what is that? Hey.
Draw.io. Okay.
So hey, you drawing on which sir?
You have to.
No, it should come. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing that we will do is what? We should bring the AWS cloud, right? Adama. Can you guys hear? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So I'm asking that.
Your first AWS now.
Okay, so let's search AWS. This one, right?
Yeah, you can use this one. Okay. Then we create our VPC. Right? Region.
The region. Good. Adama is an architecture man. So let's use the blue one, right? Okay.
You can expand the region to the AWS because we'll do more drawing.
I should do what?
Like expand the region.
So that to be here.
The left side. No. Inside now, but like give you small space.
This
the
one.
Other side to expand. The other side because we'll be doing more.
Okay. So we should name it. Our region was Oregon, right?
Yeah. You can go and check.
Yeah, this is the region. So the next thing is what? The VPC. Right?
Yeah.
VPC. Let's use this one. Okay, so the name of our VPC is what? Assignment
VPC.
VPC. So what next?
Availability zone. 2 availability zone.
No, subnets.
No, you can availability zone before subnet. VPC be global something.
No, but if you create
So,
a VPC, you have to create the subnet before you can create
the subnets go do the availability zones inside.
Yeah. So which one should we use? This one, the blue one.
Use the white one so that you can.
Okay. So we have how many availability zones?
2. Make you not do this one big. So just do a small, like divide them and then expand down.
Like this.
And then expand them again.
But
so
we have
expand.
Okay, I will expand
Like
right.
Yeah, push the right one to the left, the right side small. Make a again. Then expand. Then go to the left one. Then expand down small.
Wait.
Or they can't duplicate.
Let me delete this one.
Which one?
So that the size will be the same. Is that to expand it more?
Oh, then duplicate this one less. Or you can expand this one and duplicate.
This is okay, right?
Yeah.
So let's go and check the availability zone that we created. Now, how will we be able to see the availability zone?
I mean, you go to the VPC.
We did the VPC side.
Yeah, maybe go to the try and see search. I mean, close the VPC.
Yeah.
So this thing, if you do then the right time, what if you do here? This is what they do. If you do rough work, and they do rough work. So you do the document sound down.
Yeah. Can we see it here?
Well, we're not gonna availability. That be the US West. Oh.
And the US, but we have to know the exact one. Now one be US West 2A.
But yeah, this come there. Go come down. Where you went to? That be the US West 2A, US West 2B. Oh. Yeah, that be.
Yeah. So this is one, this is another one. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's true. So this is the first one. And then these are
the writing, or you go do the writing better.
This one.
The right up. I mean, go minimize them.
Okay. It be what? US.
US West 2 something A or something.
Okay, let's go and check. US West 2A and then US West 2B.
What is the dash?
US West 2A. And then US West 2B. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing is what?
The instance.
Hey, wait, the subnet doesn't come.
Hey, subnets. The subnet, you just bring a routing table. I'm not sure you have you do write subnet elements. I'm not sure you get subnet. So the routing table will come as subnet or you get subnet.
Private share. Yeah, both
But
private. Both
I
private.
forget to. So if you do the public first, private for data.
But why is this one colored? Choose the
Yeah, so it is. So then so the public go the public.
the public
So
for
forget
content.
so you forget like two, right?
Yeah.
2 public, 2 private in each
Yeah.
availability zone.
Yeah.
So you could just do a small, like expand down and do that. Not be so.
Hey.
Okay, you don't want to just go back.
Make I do it. Hey, this thing I sound baby. How do I?
You know what you click on the click on now. Click on the subnet. Right now you highlight the US. You know highlight the subnet to click on the double click on the subnet.
And then me okay last time. The way I is a great answer.
Go so now it is tap the
back. Wait.
tap the and I
should type what?
tap the padlock side. Tap the AWS cloud.
I should type what?
Hey, you come.
Good.
So you go fit do them small, like count down, then minimize them, go the top, then expand down. So say you go rectangle. Then you go do them small. You touch the AWS cloud. You touch the AWS cloud.
Is it attach them?
And the AWS cloud, you shift them. That's why.
This one.
You
go up too much.
You shift them in that. So the public, then expand out to the right side. You can even minimize this more too, so that we duplicate.
I don't know why this thing. Oh, click this one now for fat.
You go fit the duplicate. So if you do, I'll just tap the padlock.
Yeah. So now let's go and copy the name of the public, the first one, right?
Yeah, the first public side.
Oh, like I said,
That be assignment.
Assignment VPC subnet public 1, right? Yeah, I didn't know what pound.
To me say all go get 4 routing table. Wait.
Okay. Can you see the screen now?
You can see your screen.
So assignment what?
VPC something.
Assignment VPC subnet public 1.
Public 1 into like US what.
Hey, our time is also running out, Charlie.
Can't you expand it? Or you can see.
That's what I'm trying to do, but
or go to subnet, go to your left.
And the thing right there, and we are suffering. So this is the first one. So assignment VPC subnet public 1. But this one you can decide to ignore this one because
you can just they are in the US this already.
Yeah, it's not necessary. So assignment VPC subnet
public 1.
Right?
Yeah.
So we can duplicate this and bring it here. Oh. Can you see my screen?
Can't see your screen.
Okay, I'm coming. Can you see?
Yeah.
So this one will be public too, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll do the private one.
Don't forget, we get route table, we go out.
The route table, they mostly they somewhere here.
You go put them inside or outside. But the route table before.
4 route tables.
All the this thing they have a route table.
No, it was 3.
If you go check the diagram, we go see. The assignment you've added. Check your assignment.
Assignment. Assignment.
Private one.
Yeah. So this one, let's make it a bit smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you make it small, where would the instance come? Because the instance has to be inside the VPC and the subnet, right? If you make it small too, the instance will not be able to fit in it. So let's maintain the size. So it's okay.
Then if I do the other one better, the first one looks smaller.
It's smaller, okay.
So push the assignment VPC down. The last assignment.
The route table, we'll put it outside.
The 4 route table.
It's not 4, it's 3. Even now, we don't need 4 route tables. We need only 2. 1 private, one public. So you can decide to delete one.
If you check listen, I saw like 3. You go and check the diagram.
Because we use the, what do you call it? Go use the wizard. The wizard automatically to create it for you. You see? But we don't need all these ones. We need just one route table per. Or because
you need all. But this one is all part. This one is all part. The first one.
It's not even part. It's not even part.
So it's 3. We need 3.
So just this 1 public and then 2 private. I don't know why. Always, if you do it, it will give you, to give you. Hey, but you this thing that you made me add, you better charge me.
Or maybe because we did the S3 bracket, that's why you have 4 route table.
I don't even understand.
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't need any S3 gateway. You
can put one route table there. Not the
yeah. We can just put one there. No one will come in. But we can decide to delete it. It won't do anything. Because if you come here, you can decide to delete this one. What do you call it? This one.
You make it. I mean, the table it shows that we know what to do. So if the person say go, no say we know what to do.
Okay.
So make you add one route table for there then.
So the same thing will happen here, right? So I'll just duplicate this and I'll bring it in. but this one will be 2. Hey, well, we are making a mistake. This, we are making a mistake. This one, oh, what did I do? This one is supposed to be here. Okay, the public 2 is supposed to come here. Do you get it? Do you get it? And then the private 2 also is supposed to come here.
Yeah.
So this is supposed to be like. Oh. So we can now expand this one soon. You understand why I'm saying this? Adama. Hey, who is that? Is that Adama? Okay. Then we are done. We are done with the subnets. So now the instances will come. Can you guys hear me?
You can hear you. My distance.
Your internet was working on.
Yeah.
So now our instances will come. Which one should we use? This one.
Yeah.
Hey. Right. Hey, then I'm here in Basel. So let's go and check our instances. Yeah.